Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm super excited to do an unboxing of advent calendar from KIEHL'S and also to share my recent order from RHODE. Let's start with KIEHL'S advent calendar. Look at this, honestly it's so pretty. I don't know, I'm really excited. Honestly, it's not my favorite skincare brand because sometimes I don't notice some changes or some effects, but still I suppose inside we're gonna find a lot of samples. It's super convenient to take them with you on trips, so let's start. The adventure starts here. Nice. Oh my god. Good things come to those who wait or who is doing something. I think it's better. Not just sit and wait, but try to do something to achieve your goal. Okay, and the last one. So wait. Cool. So nice. Oh, and we found immediately first one. So that is the first one, and let's open it. Peace, love, and rare earth. Let's see. Rare earth deep pore cleansing mask. I hope I pronounce it right. Honestly, I wanted to try exactly this mask. What a surprise, thank you! Let's first of all find second box and after open. I found it. So, second one. Get a hold of this. It's a hand cream and it's nice winter smell, good texture, and I don't know, nice cream for dry skin. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, here we go. Number 3. It's our gentle essential ultra facial cleanser. I suppose I already tried this cleanser and it's quite good. Fourth, found it. Fourth one, get that body glowing. With a pleasure, cream de corp. Perfect size. I mean, like, if you want some travel size, you have to buy some advent calendar because it's full of this kind of things. I cannot understand the smell. No, don't feel it. Let's find next one. Oh, so small, so cute. Clearly Corrective dark spot solution. Okay, also never tried. Honestly, I have not tried a lot of things from KIEHL'S, but it's time. Number 6. It's big one. Look at this. Let's get Alanda Clean deep cleansing face wash. So I have a huge problem with the word cleansing. I'm gonna check it after, and I know for a normal to oily skin type, so for me it's fine, and with calendula flower extract. Nice. Next one, we're searching for 5th number. No, but it was 9. My gosh, I'm silly. Okay, 6, 7th. 7. Okay, it's a night series. I think Serum Multi Corrective cream. 7 milliliters. So many things, honestly, it's so cool. Like number 8, Ice Tent Corrective. Something for eyes. Yeah, I love this kind of products for eyes. Okay, small and cute. Serum Multi Corrective Eye Zone Treatment. Nice. It was 8, now it's 9, but for me it's 6. Also huge, kind of huge. Do you smell that? At the moment, no. Bath and Shower Liquid Body Cleanser Grapefruit. Wow. To be honest, I don't like some citrus smell, but no. Yeah, not my smell, but cool. There is 10. Small and cute. Give your skin a rest. Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Yeah, nice. Also never tried. I think there is lavanda or something. Okay, let's go next. It was 10. Where is 11? Yes, here. Okay, something with vitamin C. Look, and it's matching, like yellow and vitamin C. Seems that this empty, but powerful strength line reducing and dark circles vitamin C eye serum with tripeptide and hyaluronic acid. Cool, but so small, so tiny. 3 milliliters. Okay, next one is number 12. Number 12, a little bit heavy. Not your average eye cream. So many things for eyes zone. Oh, that is I think famous cream from KIEHL'S cream eye treatment with avocado. But my friend, she told me that is a really nice cream, so I'm really happy for this find. 13. Serum infused water cream. Okay. 14, small one. So here we have a tiny avocado hydration mask. 15, now it's 15. It's huge, but not that heavy. It's even in a box. Power Strength Line Reduce Concentrate. 12% of vitamin C. Nice. Now 16. Kiss Dry Lips Goodbye. Nice, something for lips. Like, honestly, I need it. Lip balm. It looks strange. I don't know why. Okay. What is the smell? Oh, it's close. 17. Heavy. Stay cool and hydrate. Yes. Drink enough water. So this cream I already know. I already used Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. Yeah, I like it. It's super light and for daily using, perfect. Oh, so many things. Wow, it's a Christmas time, a lot of presents. And by the way, you prefer to make presents or to receive them? Write in the comment. 18. Wow, it's big. Maybe it's shampoo or some shower gel or maybe toner. Maybe toner, okay. It's calendula extract toner, alcohol free. Good. This I also love because I'm running out of my toner and I still have not bought one, and perfect. Also big, 19, but not that heavy. Ultra Facial Overnight Rehydrate Mask. Okay, it's nice. 20. Oh, so cute. Skin renewing RHODE serum. I already tried this serum, I don't know, 1 or 2 years ago, and I think it's fine. I don't know, I didn't notice something, like some changes. 21, we have just 4 left. Yes, 4. 21. Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream. Wow, this one definitely I need. Night cream, cool. Next, 22. Okay, Serum Multi Corrective Soft Cream. Don't understand what is serum or cream. It's a cream. Okay, let's open. Nice smell. 23. Ultra Facial Toner for all skin types. Yeah, nice. And last one. Oh, I am excited what is gonna be inside, because like maybe it should be something special, like Christmas, New Year, some stuff like this. I'm not that happy with this kind. Ultra Facial Cream, 24 hours daily, lightwear, hydrating formula. Okay. So I did the maths, and I bought this calendar for 130 euros. And inside I found 6 full-size products, which together are already worth 144 euros. More than the price of this calendar itself. So it's good. Then I calculate the value of other products, excluding 5 items which were less than 5 milliliters or 5 milliliters. The total value, according on my calculation, came to 267 euros. So the savings from this calendar are 137 euros. That is a great deal, I think. Honestly, it was my first advent calendar. Before, I just had something with sweets, with chocolates, and that was my first one, and it was great. I don't know, I love it, and I definitely suggest you also to buy this calendar. And now we're going to open this RHODE box, and so cool, so what? Already tried this peptide lip tint in other color, and I absolutely love it. About this one, when I saw it, I thought, okay, I cannot help but buy it. Peptide lip tint blush and some pocket blush. Honestly, I don't like this plastic. It looks a little bit cheap. Oh, cool. It's so small. I thought it's gonna be bigger. It's too dark, I think. I made this order because of this. Oh, Boże. It smells like cinnamon roll. Oh, so nice. Because my previous lip tint didn't smell at all, like no smell, and this one, yes, yes, it should be with sparkles. I suppose it's gonna be more like darker, more brown, but the smell, oh my gosh, I cannot explain. In the end, we have 3 beautiful products from RHODE. A pocket blush in that toasted teddy shade, 2 lip tints, one in a raspberry jelly shade, and second one, my favorite, in cinnamon roll shade with the sparkles. Thank you for watching me today. Have a nice holidays, have a nice new year, and see you in the next video. Ciao!